Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make cream and onion powder at home, updated. Gather dried onions, powdered milk or non-dairy creamer, a spice grinder, a fine sieve, and airtight jars. First, dry onions thoroughly and pulse in short bursts for even grinding. Mix onion powder with creamer, salt, and optional herbs to taste. Store in a cool, dark place and label jars with the blend and date for easy use. In this video, I will show how to make cream and onion powder at home, updated. Arrange thinly sliced onions in a single layer and dry at low heat until brittle. Check slices periodically and flip for uniform drying to avoid any soft spots. Properly dried onions should break easily and have no moisture. Cool completely before processing to prevent clumping and to extend shelf life of the final powder. In this video, I will show how to make cream and onion powder at home, updated. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy kitchen projects. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers are great for transporting small jars, stacking spice kits, or packing a lunch without spills, and they make gifting blends simple and tidy. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make cream and onion powder at home, updated. Pulse dried onions in a spice grinder or high-speed blender until a fine powder forms, then sift to remove coarse bits. Mix the sifted onion with powdered milk or creamer, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt per cup to start, and adjust for taste. Store the blend in airtight jars, label with the date, and use within several months for best flavor.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.